How about a little lockdown unboxing treat? Well, I thought my garden Hogwarts Express would look better with a couple of extra coaches behind it. Now these appear to be available, and I've read the information about them. I know all about the gauge being 50 millimeters or 2-inch gauge, and the price doesn't seem too bad. £135 from Rails of Sheffield. I ordered it a couple of days ago and it's arrived today. And so what it means is I'll be able to do a direct side-by-side comparison of the original Lionel one which I've got and this new Hornby one. I've then got a couple of extra coaches and a spare loco that I can, well, decide what to do with later. Let's have a look at what we've got. This is the outer packaging. So it is a Hornby part 1268. But there's a little patch over here, over the words G gauge. That's interesting. It says remote controlled something Hogwarts Express. I've just peeled off the white label and it appears as though underneath it is a brown label which the G gauge is printed onto. So I don't know what was underneath the brown label. Is it time to get the steamer out? Really curious. Remote controlled O gauge. Hogwarts Express, covered up with a label which says G gauge, covered up with a white label. It's almost as if they can't decide what they've got in the box. Okay. It's really quite an interesting example of left hands not knowing what right hands are doing. Hornby not realising that in the time they were talking to Lionel, presumably Lionel's different company, about being the UK supplier of a version of this, that Lionel had changed to this play track, or whatever they call it, ready to play 2-inch scale. Not 2-inch scale, sorry, 2-inch gauge, 50mm track. So that's the outer packaging disposed of in the recycling bin, the inner packaging put into quarantine, me fully sanitized, hands and everything. So now, because I don't think that Rails will have opened the inner sleeve of this, I'm safe now to handle everything else. So what you've got is a box branded Lionel Hogwarts Express, battery powered, ready to play train set. So now we've lost any evidence of the branding of Hornby, and somebody can correct me if Hornby and Lionel are part of the same group anyway, operating in different markets. So no suggestion on here that it is in fact G scale or whatever scale or gauge it is, just that it's just a ready to play train set. And here's the panel that tells you what it includes: a battery powered steam loco and tender, passenger coaches, remote control that requires 3 AAAs, 32 pieces of track, authentic train sounds, movie sound clips, working headlight, and that requires 6 C-cell batteries, not included. Oh, hold on the back, a little panel, a little strip there which is the Hornby branding on it, and also a picture of what looks like it might be some type of hook and loop coupling. So let's get it out and we can compare the two together.